Good morning. Come on in and test yourself. There's some stuff for you there.
Are we doing normal speaking or?
Are there enough tests for everyone?
Should be. If not, I have more in my office. Yeah. So. Okay, guys, go ahead and test yourself. So come on up, get your stuff, and just go ahead and do it. I hope you know how by now. If not, talk to someone who does. I will get other things ready here. There's the one. Hello, Bella. Good morning. Yeah, please do. Take and test. Okay, so get everybody testing as quick as we can, and
Morning, JFK.
you're all starting at different times.
Back to our 7th, 8th, and 9th grade students. We're happy to see you this morning.
Can you just use your
Because
watch as a
before
timer,
testing,
please?
I want to make a couple of quick
Your phone
announcements.
as a timer.
For the students that are returning to campus newly, please remember that our hygiene plan from the first semester is still in place, which means that masks must be worn at all times, including outside. The only time that this is you're exempt from wearing a mask is during 6th period if you're outside with 1.5 meters between them. If you have forgotten your locker combination, please see me, Mrs. Hale, in W108, and I can help you with that. teachers and students, if there's a student missing this morning or if a class has been canceled, we can tell them that they can have a makeup corona test today, 6th period, and B215. 9th and 10th graders should report at 12:20. 7th and 8th graders should report at 12:40. And 11th or 12th graders that need a makeup test, corona rapid self-test, can go during a 20-minute break. Again, that's in B215. Finally, a reminder to teachers to pick up your corona rapid self-test that you can do at home now from Nayla or Marshall. Have a great day, JFK.
Okay, so welcome to folks at home. So I've got who? I've got a lot of you. I've got Bella, Oscar, Amina, and Louisa. So very good. What we're going to do today, everybody, is correct that number 2 we worked on last week on the FRQ, and we'll continue on the FRQ test, first period. Second period, we're going to work on correcting multiple choice test. Folks at home, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I can send you a copy personally through email of your answer sheet from the multiple choice part of the clausura, but I don't have the questions in a format, or do I? Let me look for that, see if I can send you the questions. Okay, perhaps I have that. And Amina, I will send you an email later, just as a heads up. Morning, folks. Please grab a test and start testing immediately so we can get that done with as quickly as possible today. Okay, do I have everybody counted? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I do. Okay. I like that worked out rather well. I'll get something for garbage. Okay, I'll take your garbage when you're done, so. All right, come on. How many times you done this? You can't throw it in regular garbage. Don't start again. For me, you have to go dig it out. I'm going to wash my hands. I'll take a little bit of second. Yeah, if you're done, you can put it in the garbage bag. Okay, are you done? Okay, let me know when you're done, and I'll collect the tab as well here. Still waiting. Still waiting. It's a waste of time, but I can't do anything about it. All right, in the meantime, let's see if I could send these folks at home that other test. Do I have it? Folks at home, did I already send you the FRQ test? Do you have that already from last week or 2 weeks ago? If you have that, then I won't try and find it because I think I sent it to you, but I can't really remember. It's the one from 2015, kind of. 2015, we started to correct it last week. So let me know, do you have that? If so, maybe you want to get it out. Okay, while you're doing that, let me see if I can put my hands on one. Everybody. That's it. Yeah, thank you. So Mina has it. Hopefully everybody does. Here's how it looks. Okay, the first question is redox with 2 reactions given. And for everybody here, it's the one that says 2015 up in the corner. So why don't you pull that out while you're waiting for your test results there for your corona test, and we can maybe start to look at that already. We're going to look at number 2. So go ahead and flip over to number 2. And number 2 is complicated. There's a lot of reactions given and a lot of very different questions about it. So I'm on to one that says, answer the following about Fe and Al compounds. That's probably right there. Maybe found where you wrote your answers as well. So we kind of grade whatever we got. We'll find where you were right. We found the test, okay, but in the future, hopefully on separate paper, because there's no room for a lot of these. Okay, let's do it. So, Fe2O3 and this is part A, Fe2O3 and AlO2O3 have similar properties. Some similarities are due to the oxides having similar lattice energies. Give 2 reasons why the lattice energies are similar. Okay, lattice energy is the energy to do what with those suckers? What was the lattice energy again? Ellie? Pull them apart, exactly. Okay, so it's similar for the 2. So what's probably also similar? So give 2 reasons. So 2 reasons that involve Fe and Al. Why would they be similar? Aiden? Yeah, so they both. And what charge is that, Aiden? Good. Give me another thing that was a little harder. Penelope? Yeah, they're both similar size. They're not identical, but compared to like vastly different places on the periodic table, they're not that far apart. Okay. C. What is it? Fe and Al. Not too bad. And that's really all I can think of. So that's it for A. Good, okay. So let's see what B has to do. It's the KSP values. So they're checking your knowledge of this. And it says a 1 gram sample of the Fe2O3 and of Al2O3 are each placed in a liter. Which ion Fe3 plus or Al3 plus will be in the higher concentration? Justify your answer with respect to the KSP values. Okay, well, somebody help me out. So which one would be higher? What do the KSP values tell you? Errol? Exactly. So which of the 2 numbers, Errol, there is a higher number? AlOH3. So AlOH3, and you got to say it has a higher KSP. But you got to justify it, right? Okay, instead of writing the word concentrations, please use brackets. It saves time, and that's what everybody does. So that means moles per liter. Okay. Then let's go to II. Write a balanced equation for the dissolution reaction that results in the production of iron. That's your or the ion, sorry, the ion you identified in part. Production of the ion. Okay, so from Arrow we got that it's the aluminum. So how can we produce that? What do we write as producing it? Go ahead, Anthony. Super. And a lot of you did remember that you don't have to put in water because, of course, these are aqueous. So you don't say plus water. It's just a solid. going to aqueous, and you don't have to, water's already part of that. Questions so far? I need to get you guys in groups quickly and wake up your brains a bit. I know it's a Monday morning, but it's the time we got. Okay, so how many of you still need more time for your corona test? Is everybody done? Okay, is everybody negative? I hope. Hallelujah. Okay, so let's put these in here and then I can done with the garbage.
We have the fluid, anyone?
Show me. I know negative. Yeah, right. I've never been so happy to have so many negative people. I got to go. No. I got to go. What do you want? Okay, all right. Good. Very much. Okay. Get that really important spot. All right, then let's continue. So we've got part C. Students are asked to help develop a plan for separating Al2O3 from a mixture of powdered Fe2O3 and powdered Al2 using chem reactions and lab techniques. One student proposes that Al2O3 can be separated from the mixture by adding water to the mixture, then filtering. Explain why this approach is not reasonable. So, why is that a bunch of baloney? Why can't you separate the two that way, Errol? Okay, they both dissolve. And how well do they both dissolve? What do their KSPs tell you? Folks, look at those numbers. The KSP values, are they big or small? How small? How well does this stuff dissolve? It dissolves terribly. It's a small number. Oh, hit head, wake up. I need that really clear from you. They don't dissolve for squat. So look at what the students suggest. They can be separated from the mixture by adding water to the mixture and filtering. It's like adding water to like sand, okay? It's not going to do anything, okay? All compounds have low solubility. Both won't dissolve in water. They can't be separated. This way. Okay. So then we got an actual way you could do it, and that's on the next page. So let's turn to II and see what all they want us to do here. Okay, second student has more on the ball. So they've got 2 steps already entered. Complete the plan by listing the additional steps that are needed to recover the Al2O3. List the steps in the correct order and refer to the appropriate reaction by number if applicable. And I got to have my reactions here. Okay, so they add NaOH to convert the Al2O3 to OH3, and then to Na, where is it? Na, OH4 aqueous. And they filter out the FeOH3 from the mixture and save the filtrate. Okay. Okay. You guys help me. And Sophie. Okay, say that one more time. Add the.
Add hydrochloric acid with reaction 7.
To which chemical?
To NaCl and
Thank you.
to convert it to NaCl and AL. AL.
OH3 or which one is it? Good. Somebody else, the next step. What do we do after that? Anthony? I doubt there's a reaction for that. Is there, Anthony? There's no number. Okay, so. And the last step, Chelsea.
Add heat to AL to form AL2 with solid and water.
Okay. To get what, Chelsea?
AL2 with 3 solid and water. The gas flow.
And that's reaction.
Reaction 9.
Super. Thank you very much. Okay, so that I think that's a pretty hard one. So I was actually pleased how well you guys did on that one. Okay, then the second student recovers 5.5 grams of Al2O3 from a 10-gram sample of the mixture. Calculate the percent by mass in the mixture of the two powdered oxides. The molar mass of Al2O3 is blah, blah. Molar mass of Fe2O3 is blah, blah. Okay. So we want the percent of Al by mass. Okay, now it would be tempting to put the 5.5 grams right over the 10 grams. Why can't I do that? You can almost do that, but what's the problem, Ellie? Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Let's consider that 5.5 grams over 10.0 gram sample. But let's label it now. Ellie says it's Al2O3. Can we multiply by a ratio just to get the grams of aluminum out of there? What is that, Feeny?
Over 1 mole of CO2.
Good. And I'm going to put that molar mass because they give it to us, Feeny. 101.96. For sensory, I can put that there. And on the top, she says 2 moles of aluminum. Great. Aluminum, it's like 27 or something. 27. So go ahead and double that. That would be 54. I don't know if it's quite on the money, but that would give you more or less the right answer. So I can do that within the problem just to save time. So it's the grams of Al Meaning suggestion divided by the total mass of Al2O3 for 1 mole, because it's got 2 ALs in it, and then 1 mole of that, and divide by 10, and you should get the right answer, which is what you end up with, Meaning?
29.13.
Super. Now, look back at the numbers given. They gave us, well, Feeney and everybody, 5.5 and 10.0. What do we got to round our answer to? Rolla? Yeah, 2.2. Well, 29%. Right? I think that. The 2 sig figs. Yeah. Now, just like on the clausura, which I'm not done with yet, they're going to give you a point just for the right number of sig figs, and they're going to do it 1 time on the FRQ test. The crappy part is you don't know where they're going to do that. So you need to get the right number of sig figs on every answer. Don't round it willy-nilly. Look back at the numbers they gave you to decide. That's what I just did with you. 2 spots, 3. I got to go to 2, like Lola said. Okay. Let's go on. No, let's not go on. So that's number 2, and I want to stop right there and pause for questions. Anything you guys want to ask me about? Okay. Then let's do this. Let's get in some groups. And if you want to work with somebody at home, that's fine. Although if they're not really working, then just forget working with them. So number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, get as far as you can. And we'll do that the rest of this period, which is about 10 minutes. So go ahead and do that. I'll come around and help you out in your small groups. Start with the sugar one, unless you've gotten further. Okay. Okay, so folks at home, if you want to have someone here work with you, you may call them and ask as a group if they want to work with you. So, folks, if you have somebody at home you want to work with, give them a call. Okay? Somebody at home, give them a call if you want to work with them. Well, I just asked you to write it. Who did you teach? Well, you need to know, I just need you to write it. I mean, that's what I did with the others. I can write it right now if you want. Okay, because you're doing the review session, right?
But in order for it to stay negative, the temperature has to be plummeted. But it makes sense to think about the gas situation. I don't really know how much of it is. Yes, you got that. This is negative, right? This has to be a higher value than this. Right? Because you're getting a negative value. And so it's not only changing A,
And the,
yeah, and then you do this. Anyway, this has to be a high value. Yeah. Especially because it's an actual product.
how do you know?
It has to be a high value. In other words, you can see out of it, but
That's pretty much.
more
What is the, that's the.
First, you were asking that, but many times now we don't even need to believe it. It's kind of
I got the final picture. Lord, actually, and now we have to change the.
Yeah. I was not checking that. Oh my God, no. We don't have no. No, I tried to do my head.
Why did I write it down? I thought you saw it.
Well, I mean, yeah, I'm
You didn't go for it.
I was right, I was really right.
I am been tripping me out.
I was right, and I had arrows, not showing like that. Yeah. And it was with your preference. Yeah. I remember.
It's
And it's not high, negative. So does that have to be high? If it's more gas on the side.
That's the first.
The teams that.
Yeah, but that's.
Wait, are you working on it? Or, yeah. So it's one journal for you. Yeah, so now we have the, we're finishing up, so that was number one. We have a plan.
It's just very I feel like we have to, this is like a. Water.
Oh, so they did give us the vacation. I don't want to do that. But,
Yeah. Almost like,
well, I didn't like everybody. All right, so we need to. Yeah, please don't mind.
What? How is she?
No. So that moment goes down. Let's just say as the dipole moment, yeah, I mean, there's less like dipole movement then. No, because the more that the more movement it is, and the less. But we have to say how the forces will happen to the burning point, not the other way around. So now we have to, and then another third thing too. Yeah, but I had actually until our exam, and after our exam, we have a couple labs. Oh, yeah. Oh. I don't think, yeah, I forgot we could do the
Yeah, I was talking about polarized beams. Notice it gets greater and greater and greater, the polarized beam is, actually greater and polarized. And so if that's greater, that matches what the board would look at. Because this one doesn't have a clear relation. Well, you got what's looking based on the okay, now here's the deal.
This is the final.
Based on the data in the table, what type of force must account for the trend? So one has to do dipole moment, the other has to do with what other force? Exactly. So which one lines up with this? That's the one we want to talk about. The bigger arrows, they have greater electron power, but
You have the answer sheet this one?
I do, and I also have it in my head.
So we converted the. And then.
Let's see, Alex.
We can.
Yeah, they got a change in temp of 41. What did you guys get?
40.85, so yeah.
Yeah.
I knew. And then with the final temperature, which is 65, right? Or 66.
Well, it'd be 66, right? Because you
Yeah.
gotta do sig figs. You got 2 sig figs, so 66.
Or
Yeah. I know. She's here today.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna wait around for you to be done with your German puzzle.
Okay, so this is 2.
I don't know. Second what? Are you sure you know that or is it just start puzzle? Then maybe we also just have a. 5,500. They don't have an iPad. I think you don't have all five.
5,000.
Okay.
I will not.
That's why I know that.
Can I not do that that long?
One temperature. So
So, my people, question was, do we have a set date? Listen, please. Question was, do we have a set date for when we're turning in the books for me to grade? And it'll be the week after the AP test. So as soon as the AP test is over, obviously, give me your books. Seniors also, if you didn't take it, if you're not taking the test, then just give me your book at that same time, May 7th or later, and then I will correct those. This period, we're going to do things a little differently. I've got the multiple choice part done of your AP clausures. So I'm going to hand back a copy of your answer sheet, which you can keep, and I'm going to hand you back the question sheet, which you may not keep, but you can work on at this period. So what I'd like you to do is, again, either on your own or in a small group, that's fine, work on correcting and learning what you did wrong on the multiple choice questions so you can get them right on the real test. So let me hand back those to you. Okay, in fact, how about Errol? Errol, would you help me, because yours is on high. Would you help me hand those out? Would you please? There's yours, and then over my school. I said some good, some not so much. Answer me. Errol, I'll put yours right on your test.
I got.
Okay, so there's that and that. And I probably got one more. Louisa's, you won't have either. Errol. I'll take LC. That's Lola. You can give that to Lola. And there's Elsie. Good. Thank you, Errol. Appreciate it.
Everything.
But I know that I did a couple of that part too. Yeah, I don't know. You direct them.
Because, you know,
I wrote.
I'm sure it's better.
What's the rest? I think the rest of it at the.
That's also why.
Nine more times of jumping on. I guess at the end. I got 11.
So overall. And you have that.
Well, I also got wrong. I know both of them, but I don't know very well. 13 I got wrong. I said A. I said B.
No, I said, oh, I got it right.
No, I said B sharp. I was looking at the phone. I said B. I said C.
I don't know if that's the.
Sure, 13 and no. Okay, 14, I also got wrong. Me too.
Is your preference a
14 was D.
You have to go.
I said B.
Would you rather be in high school or would you rather be in college?
I 15, I was wrong. I got, I said B, but I guess.
Small school, I would say middle school.
I got A as well. I keep looking at the one before it, the one before I said B.
You still have to be school.
16. I was wrong. 16. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Did I not write A? I have with the the person who's A, I have A here. Yes.
How do you not know you're?
Yeah, I wrote, I wrote it out, I wrote A. Sure. All the wrong. I like but I write them on this side. So if I write them wrong, I write them
How is it?
Anyway, I got wrong.
Are you in California? Yeah. How do you not have a draft? I just really right.
For 18? Okay, I got 18 right. 18 I got wrong.
It was easy to.
Oh, why did I say B? I don't know. But if they look at I don't know. Anyway,
I don't know. No matter what I do,
I got 20.
Okay,
I said E and then. Yeah.
She sees me as a 2 or 3.
I got it wrong. I mean, I thought it. I know that's
I don't think she.
I knew it was negative. I knew it was negative. I just didn't know. I knew it was either B or C, but I didn't guess a B.
I heard the conversation.
I got 23 right.
I didn't know that.
I don't know why. Really? Oh, yeah. I just guessed that it was gonna play.
Yeah. I feel like
Oh, no, I remember what I did. I was smart. I looked at the answers and I looked at 3 of them had solid in it. So I knew I had solid. And then I looked at them and was like, okay, 2 of them say that it's a electrical conductor, which is solid. Okay, so the answer is either B or C. So here's the no. But anyway, yes, I got across. I got number 6. I got 26 wrong. Me too. 27. I got wrong. I think he was I also be. But the answer was A. Are you still there? Wait, 28? You're out.
Because the friction of the moment.
I got 28. Correct. I'm not there to say this correct. I got 29. Okay, that's I don't know.
How did you go through that?
Yeah. Oh, you guys also got right.
Are you talking about? What I'm talking about,
I did these ones.
you just put in
I had the wrong. I mean, like, text message. I got 33 right. I got 33
yeah,
right. And then I guess.
that's pretty big.
I guess.
Yeah, that means you're 32.
You know, I think I did have to.
I don't know how it's doing like.
And then I went to B instead. When I put my house in, I put it down. I did, and I had to step it. 34, I got it wrong.
That's
Then I played that. B, then B. Also B. Yeah, I don't know why. C. 34.
And then what about like, even more.
35.
No.
No, 35.
You were
36, I got wrong. I got 36 right. I think I went back.
We didn't say this was good. That's what I'm saying. Remember getting back to help?
I had to like put it right up. I got 39 all 43 wrong. I got 9 all wrong. Again,
How did you do?
39 I got wrong.
All of the solutions are true a lot. Basic.
Or yeah, I don't know, I was like going through the problem.
Chemistry.
Yeah. We can find the ones we all got wrong. There's a lot. 50 I got right. I got it wrong.
All of the
40 I got right. 41 I got wrong.
How would I put it?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I don't understand 40. Wait, no, I did understand that.
Only eating a kitchen.
Yeah.
That's the Russian spot. You got one.
Why did they do that? I know, but why did they do that? No, 60% for,
Yeah, which one?
is it 5 or it's also 1? Because they follow the 84.
What's wrong with it?
So just calculate your shit out of the and if you're greater than
All the chairs there. Yes, ma'am. Which one?
16,
Okay, here you go.
just what would you grab?
Oh. I followed up from college.
I still have that's the girls.
Yeah, it's connected to plastic.
Is that like 30? So like 34, I'm gonna say 34. 37. So what, that's like 40 years done. 3 minus 2. So what's 3 or 4, that's what I'm saying. You should take it out, you should take it out. All you have to do is memorize the easy, okay? Calculus is also not that.
Okay. Crowd calling.
Answer your instrument. Answer the instrument question.
Unless you're sleeping.
Answer mine.
You can't call for another.
I don't know. Yes. It's the same thing. No, it's not. In front of the wall. Yeah. What is going on? It's not awesome. So what's up? Power
Oh, I see. To calculate your score, add all of the correct answers.
What? What's up?
Okay.
Is that a meter or?
Right, so if you can add all
I was about to say, how do you? Yeah, I know. It's like the only one I have. I just like a macro of my.
I don't know, it's weird. I think. Oh, that's how we're looking right now.
No, Amina, it has to be out of 100. How many points are possible on the one score? How many points are possible? Are you sure about that? Hey, Mr. White.
Yeah.
How many points are possible? Okay, so basically, technically agree. You would ask your peers the number of years.
Also writing, I can write together 5-paragraph essay in one day. And then combine it with my ability, 5-paragraph essay.
It's not that, it's not helping you, it's not helping you train you to be able to work. Alright, so, okay, so how many?
Yeah, and you know, focus on
How many?
writing about.
That's the most quick.
I would have been happy with the
Oh, just look at people higher.
Oh.
You are that, and because like most like slower speed and slow speed and speed more than all the time. And for that speed, most of the losses are higher. And higher losses are higher. I just look at the graph.
Me too, I do, because I
like
realize more like fractions. Yeah, I thought that. I think if I read the graph. We have to think it You'll put it on 75.
Here we go. It's an 83. I think it is.
I mean, I forgot.
I saw you, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, the brother.
Yeah, one of the times, your brother got it. I thought that is all the questions. I just like no, but I'm probably that's the question.
Go get
I
the.
finished. Not that I didn't have the whole thing. I didn't have enough time. Now I get my 5 minutes
That's very true.
I know. Well, I don't know. I mean, I don't think it's like I know. Do you see what I underlined? It means that I went back and marked 10 seconds. No, color, color just means that it has
Was that to my face?
and so you can go out. I know that. No. And then you can check one that has like a high performance and look, A, L and S are both on the far right side, so it's not very much in there. Also, S and P are very close. Whereas like the B, R, and S, they're like on opposite ends. Oh, have you tried it? I know. Yeah, but like, I don't know, maybe I yeah, exactly. And it's farther away from the R. Everyone that comes to like, everyone's like, why is it something a little bit?
Water is dense, so it's asymmetrical, right? It's not straight up bent, and then that's bent before things don't cancel out. That's the other. This one would be polar. How should I say this? The bond would be polar. This would be the electrons would pull more towards S and more towards S on this side. But if I pull the same amount on both sides, it cancels out. That's why it's symmetric.
I know exactly.
That's the speed. This one is also a little bit yellow because it's actually 120, 120, 120. So that's also really symmetrical. So then you start confused and you want ones that are closest to court and
Oh,
Germans always leave it empty, I don't know why. I'd rather have it full.
I put it's more about the people on the. Yeah, do you know why? I told I immediately, I immediately went 24, because we were 24, all right, but it was coming together and we were. Okay, I'll explain if I need to. Okay, after we read it. Oh.
No.
No, what I did was I thought it was just not. Oh, yeah. Under no competition. Because it is not very acidic, so I'm guessing that it didn't do it when like it's plus or something, so I looked up the. And then I was switching to PO4 minus and PO4 3 minus. Yeah. Because it's and the pH approximately once was very thick, so then it would have to split. I just said this would be look like it.
This means this.
So I just said that the base, yeah. But this is like. Yeah. Which is a basic solution, and so it has the lowest concentration. Yeah, I mean, that's both of them on it, but I guess it's also that. Yeah. Yeah, but what I'm saying, you're not understanding, the pH is 1, so it's more acidic solution. One is more acidic, and so it's asking which one is the lowest concentration, which chemical is like the least in there, you know, to make it so acidic. Exactly, but it's a bit basic. Yeah, next question, I have my reasons for choosing that one, but I just saw that it was a conversation. You almost had it right. I was thinking, yeah, but I understand. Exactly. I just sort of wrote out the issues that you could it's one such that was the most exactly. It's just not necessarily in concentration that I think it's the one that's what other ones? Oh, I don't know how I got 4 right. I guessed it completely, but I remember wrong. That was my first wrong answer. 4, I guessed. I went back to it in the last 5 seconds. Very average, 58 minutes. Oh, wait, no, I do remember why I got this one right. I said there was coconut acid. Yeah, hydrogen bonding is the strongest bond.
Louisa's over here.
I was about to do that. Huh? Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah. Oh, it's on, yeah. My daily average is 60. Okay, so I go last week. No, but it's daily average. Mine is my last week's average was 7 hours and 41 minutes. My total screen time, oh no, last week's average was 2 hours and 41 minutes. Last week's average for last week's total screen time was 54 hours and 44 minutes. I just lay in my bed with the charger in for like hours. I mean, my total screen time was 19 hours. But this one's the worst. When you're on break, my average screen time is 9 hours and 38 minutes. I don't know. I thought it. Number 11. I mean, I don't feel like I have 7 right too. You can still get 11. And you tell me you double it because you're I realized it was so close. Okay, 11. I have a full calculation.
I was counting and apparently I have 17.
Oh, well, let's change that.
I got 37.
I would that is not. Yeah. And then, so, but I didn't put it, yeah. Right. 82 right now, so.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, then. All right. Well, I know several. I mean, there's LDO. I would say that. But rising, both by star signs and both the Gemini Leo. It's, I mean, I don't know. I've never just I know, but before
I.
There's a lot of like.
The physics I have, physics I have. And then I think
I don't want to pay you. No, I I always pay for
we have to finish the book.
it.
I missed up one.
I know,
Folks who are at home, if you just have someone. Okay, so that's the.
Not good. I love how Oscar left the call. Oscar left the call. Samina and Louisa put their camera off. Louisa sat there for like a straight minute looking like an alien. All of those food is
Thank you. I was just gonna call for those. Okay, so folks, here's what I need back. Your, listen up for a sec, please. Seniors, kind of take a break back there. I need your test questions. You may keep the copy I made of your answer sheet. Just keep that. But I need your test question booklet. So bring that up to me now, and I'll make sure I have it in my pile here. So the questions, the multiple choice questions I need. Thank you. Keep that. Thank you. Okay, on Wednesday, I hope to have the rest of the clausura done, and we can go over that part on Wednesday. Seniors, bring your books Wednesday, so we can answer your questions, seniors, and help you finish up with the okay? Whew, okay. Goodbye. See you Wednesday. All right, there's that. There's that.